Hi guys, you can see that I've already earned 320.52 points. So let's convert these points into money and let's withdraw this money on our PayPal or bank account. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you one of the easiest way to make money through online. I know that you guys have watched so many YouTube videos that how to make money from online, but you guys are not able to earn a single penny too. In this video I will promise you that if you watch this video full, then you will able to earn 10 to $20 per day easily without doing nothing. Like I'm saying, and I like to repeat it again, that you are able to earn 10 to $20 easily without doing nothing. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you guys have to search on a Play Store or a App Store app name called Sweatcoin. So you guys can see that Sweatcoin walking step tracker. So you guys can see the rating of this app is 4.5 and 13,000 people have already read this app. And you can see on review that this is 150 million installations worldwide on Play Store and App Store. And this is also features on one of the biggest newspaper, the New York Times, CNN and CBS. So this is one of the easiest way to make money through online by just working. I mean, like when you work, when you cook food, like when you go somewhere, when you go shop, when you go clubs, when you go friends house, when you go schools, college. If you just have downloaded this app on your phone, then you guys are able to earn money easily, like without touching, without doing nothing. So let's make the accounts on this Sweatcoin app. So if you have an Android phone, then you can easily log in with email address. So I'm currently using Apple, so I'm just login with sign up with Apple. So do you want to sign in into Sweatcoin? As continue it. So after login, you guys need to fill some details and then you can easily access to this app. So this app telling me that please let me see the total steps your phone detects. So we need to allow motions and fitness to this because it access our steps and it access to our phone moving, so that's why. So we need to share step data and we need to allow. And now you can see it's saying that we will start converting your steps from 12:56:18. Would you like to receive push notifications so I can help your progress? So it's saying that if you need notification that how much progress, how much steps you have already walked, then you can click on as please, like. And if you don't like to receive a notification, then simply you can click on no thanks. But I'm going to click on as please because I would like to receive the notifications. So you guys see now that start walking now to grow your balance. I will ping your afterwards with detail analyze and advice. So just click on got it. So now you can see my balance is that 1221.95. So why it's showing my balance is that I'm using the link that was in comment. So if you guys download this app from the comment link, then you guys will earn a certain amount of money. So I have put a link of this app on a comment box, so you can download from there. If you see the first comment of this video, then there is an app link of this. So if you download from this app, then you will earn 1221.95. Sweet. So now to withdraw this money, we need to have a Sweet Wallet app. So if we search on a App Store Sweet Wallet, then we can see Sweet Wallet app. So this is already app 4.7 rating and 1.4k rating. So if I open this app, then you can see here is my 320.52 sweets. So now we need to, like from here we can grow this money also, like we can invest that money on staking, like we will get 12% per year. So and if you really want to easily withdraw this money, then you can easily withdraw this money also. So first of all, I have a 320 sweets, so I need to see how much money I will get from that sweet. So first of all, what is sweet we need to understand is that, so sweet is an cryptocurrency. So this is like Ethereum, Bitcoin. So its price is depend on supply and demand. So let's see what is the current price of this sweet coin. So if you go and search here sweet to USD, then we can convert from over here. You can see here is that the current value of sweet is USD 0.0053. So remember one thing, that Bitcoin value also is the same before 10 to 15 years ago. Now its value is 32,000 currently. So what I'm saying is that those one sweet value should go to the $1 and $20, $30, anything. So currently we have 320 sweets, which means $1.72, which I earn easily by without doing nothing. So like if you just walk, then you will get a free crypto sweet, and then we can easily withdraw that to your sweet wallet, and from there you can easily withdraw on your bank account. So from this step, if you follow this step, then you will easily earn $10 to $20 easily with the current value of USD 0.0053. Like if it go to the $1, let's suppose one sweet will goes after 3 years to 1 USD, then from there you make like $320 per day. So it's depend on the supply and demand. Like if more people use sweet app, Sweatcoin, then its value will rise up. So this is one of the easiest way to make money through online. If you like this video, please do not forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to leave a comment if you really able to make money through online. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.